If you think UK company registration takes weeks, you're losing money every day, and here's the 24-hour path Bastion Formations uses. Here's the problem. Most guides still say 7 to 10 days. Companies House processes digital filings in 3 to 6 hours if submitted correctly before 3 p.m. Using a formation agent cuts your waiting time by 72% compared to manual DIY submissions. UK company registration speed matters because every day without a registered company costs you. You can't open a business bank account, sign contracts, or invoice clients. A London SaaS founder submitted their application on a Friday afternoon. Companies House flagged it Monday morning for missing director consent forms. That founder lost a £12,000 contract because they couldn't invoice. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle UK Ltd filings fast and right the first time. Most people fail here. They fill out the IN01 form themselves, miss the SIC code requirements, and Companies House rejects the application within 24 hours. Then you're back to square one. With Bastion Formations, we pre-validate every field against Companies House rules before submission, so your filing goes through the first time. Step 1 is choosing the right company name and checking availability on the Companies House register. Use the exact name search tool, not Google. If your name matches an existing trademark or contains sensitive words like royal, you'll get rejected in 4 hours and pay the £12 filing fee again. Bastion Formations runs trademark clearance checks in 15 minutes as part of our £199 UK Ltd package. Step 2 is submitting your incorporation documents digitally before 3 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. This is important. Companies House processes same-day filings received before 3 p.m. within 3 to 6 hours. After 3 p.m. your application rolls to the next business day. Bastion Formations batches all UK Ltd submissions at 2 p.m. daily, so you get your Certificate of Incorporation by 6 p.m. the same day. Here's the problem with DIY registration. You submit the forms, wait 6 hours, then get an email saying your registered office address isn't accepted because it's a PO box. Now you're starting over. With Bastion Formations you get a verified UK registered office address included in the £199 fee, plus mail forwarding and director service address, so Companies House never rejects your application. Here's the advanced move. If you need your UK Ltd registered by a specific date for a contract or bank account opening, file 48 hours early and pay for same-day processing. Companies House charges £100 for same-day guaranteed service on top of the standard £12 fee. Most people don't know you can combine this with digital submission. The exact wording to use on the payment screen is select same-day service, confirm digital IN01 submission, and attach director ID proof as PDF under 5 megabytes. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations do it for you. We include same-day processing in our premium package for £299, and you get your Certificate of Incorporation plus Articles of Association plus Shareholder Agreement in 6 hours. Select same-day service, confirm digital IN01 submission, and attach director ID proof as PDF under 5 megabytes. Submit before 3 p.m. for same-day processing. Use verified registered office, never PO box. Let Bastion Formations file your UK Ltd for £199. Smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations for your UK Ltd setup. Visit https://bastionformations.com.